This is an overview of the Enchanted Valley Trail in the Olympic National Park. It's a beautiful 27.8-mile round-trip hike with 3,700 feet of elevation gain. It's full of old-growth forests with trees up to 1,000 years old. Pony Bridge is the first campground you'll run into on this hike. It's 2.5 miles into the trail with 3 campsites. All the campgrounds on this trail have easy water access since the trail follows the Quinault River, and camping anywhere on this trail is by permit only. You're likely to see wildlife like banana slugs and black bears here. You'll find the turnoff for O'Neill Creek Campground 6.7 miles into the trail. From there, it's a quarter-mile walk down to the campground. You'll notice Zach pointing at a mouse at the campsite here. Please store your food properly. Both O'Neill Creek and Pyretes Creek have bear wire to hang your food, but if you camp elsewhere, bear vaults are required. There are 5 sites here, and we loved them because they had more privacy and a vault toilet. The further you hike into the valley, the more impressive these trees get. Check out these nurse logs. The landscape changes from meadows to forests and back again, keeping the hike interesting between O'Neill Creek and Pyretes Creek. You're 9.5 miles into the hike when you reach Pyretes Creek Campground. Here, there are 12 campsites located on both sides of the river. You're about a half a mile from the chalet when you reach this gate. Please close it behind you to keep pack animals inside the valley. The Enchanted Valley Chalet is the biggest draw on this hike. It was built in 1930, and you'll see the first glimpse of the roof from a clearing with a great view of Anderson Pass. The chalet was built for recreational use, as a stopping point for hikers and horse caravans before becoming an aircraft warning station in World War II. After, it was used as a ranger station before closing to the public due to its state of disrepair. Since the chalet is located on the floodplains of the Quinault River, it's on the list of most endangered places in Washington state. There are initiatives to disassemble and remove it from the valley, but for now, it's 5 to 10 feet from the riverbank. The chalet is 13.5 miles into the trail. The campsites here are more meadow than forest and spread out throughout the valley. Enjoy your time here. This is where you are most likely to see bears, especially in the late spring and summer when berries are in season. If you don't see a bear during your time in the valley, don't worry, we saw one about a mile away from O'Neill Creek. Please follow Leave No Trace principles, and you can check out our blog for more details on this hike. Happy backpacking!